What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I'm tapping in, guys, 2 times in one day just to make sure we locked, loaded, and ready to go for tomorrow, guys. Hey, listen, I got a jam-packed video for you all, so please keep it locked because we got a lot to unpack today, guys. And with that being said, I want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. But listen, guys, we got a chance to do it again on tomorrow. The one thing I like about bear markets as well as like days like a CPI report or when the Fed talks is because if nothing else, guys, it brings volatility. So I know for sure we'll get a lot of movement both up and down, which means we got a chance to make some pretty decent money on tomorrow as long as we got the right information and know how to play it the right way. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into a few things on the day. Check it out. Tuesday inflation report could show prices moderating as gasoline and travel costs fall. Some key points to know for tomorrow, guys, is the fact that the August Consumer Price Index, the CPI, guys, comes out tomorrow at 8:30. Okay, just one more time, one more reminder. I'll do it one more time in the morning, guys. I'll be in the Discord, okay, kind of giving some guidance on how we want to play this. So make sure you get in there if you aren't already, okay? But with that being said, the report could be confusing because economists surveyed by Dow Jones expect headline CPI to decline by 0.1%, but is expected to rise by 0.3%. So that little discrepancy could cause a little confusion. It should flush itself out by the time market opens. So be on the lookout for that, and let's be ready to take advantage of that. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you want to make some money on tomorrow, or if you're ready to make some money on tomorrow, okay? Please do that if you can. All right, listen, guys, the significance of this is the fact that this will again determine how hard Jay Powell needs to come on his meeting next week, okay? And so if depending on how CPI comes in, we may be dealing with another 75 basis point rate hike, or we may get 50. If we get 50, that's extremely well for the market, and all of this rallying we doing can continue, okay? So we will all be having all our eyes on that report tomorrow morning at 8:30 so that we can see and kind of know how to at least play it for the next week up until he speaks, and then we'll kind of know for sure, and then we'll take what the market gives us from there, okay? Also, guys, I want to make sure that I share this with you. We have this sentiment report on where you guys are feeling in terms of, is people bullish, is people bearish, is people neutral, okay? And as of last week, guys, we had over 18% people feeling bullish. That's pretty low, okay, guys? And we had 28% feeling neutral. But check this out, guys, we had over 50% feeling bearish. Today's video, not only I'm to show you guys my portfolio and the 4 plays that I'm buying or whatever, okay, but I want to talk to you about what a melt up is and how that has played its role into this. Yep, you got oversold conditions as for this rally. You got the market pricing in that the Fed is going to not be as hawkish, and you have the fact that inflation is coming down just naturally. It's running this course on its own. Gas prices coming down. So the market is factoring in some things as to why it's rallying. Again, September is one of your most volatile months though, guys. And so with that being said, you just still want to be on the lookout. I keep saying, and I reiterate it, I can see the first half of the month, okay, being good, and I can see them finding a way to make the second half kind of be down. All right, we will see how it plays out at the end, and it remains to be seen how it all comes to fruition. But nevertheless, that's what I'm kind of foreseeing right now in the market, okay? But with that being said, guys, and just so you know, this is the AAII report, okay? So if you want to go to that website and find these kind of information, you can. All right, okay, guys, now taking a look at what your boy did on today, okay? Listen, guys, I told you all that every Monday and Friday is when I like to buy stocks, okay? I like to either buy stocks that are my long-term holds. I like to buy stocks that I want to grow my passive income in so that I can make money while I sleep. and or I like to buy stocks that are either I'm underweight in. Underweight just means I don't have enough shares or the amount of money I want in that play. Okay. And so if I'm underweight, I'm like, you know what? I got 5 shares. I want 10 shares, so I'm gonna buy 5 more shares. Or I only got $1,500, but I want $5,000 into this one stock. Okay, so that is how we go about our Mondays and Fridays. Okay, sometimes guys I buy other days in there too, but I want to let you guys know and see the system. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into some of the things, and so you guys can see some of my positions. Let's dive into it. Okay guys, kicking it off with Verizon, ticker symbol VZ, sitting at $42.83. This one was up on the day. Let's check it out guys. I'm currently at 140 shares of this. I got an average cost of $43.33. Okay, every day. Listen to this guys, so you guys know this is what's happening right now. I'm going to slowly look at this. I have a total of 6,000 in here. I'm going to slowly get this to like $7,500 cost averaging. Okay, then 10,000. And all I do guys, either when I'm making money off of the option plays, okay, so say if I make $1,000, I might put $250 in Verizon. I might buy however many shares $250 can get me. Okay, that's the kind of stuff I'm doing. I'm just using and recycling the same money, and I'm making it work for me. Okay, let's check this out guys. Main Street Capital, this is my monthly dividend play. Okay, ticker symbol MAIN. This one is sitting at $41.14. I want to show you guys this one. Look at this. I got an upcoming dividend of $25.92 coming up, but also look at my position in this one guys. I got 140 shares of this one too, and this one my average cost is $39.72. But check this out guys, my total return is up 3.5%. I've been averaging up in this one because I want to get more shares, because this is my monthly pay, so I want that monthly payout to increase. So sometimes guys you have to average up. My average cost was lower in Maine, but again, not having enough shares or being underweight like I talked about, I want more shares in this. I only have $5,700 in here. Okay, same thing. I want to eventually get to 7,500. I want to eventually get to 10,000 in this, and of course I'm gonna take it higher over the course of the year and years to come. But my point guys is there will be times where I have to average up, but because I already have the low average cost in this compared to the current price, this is $41.14. Okay, my average cost is $39.72. So I only been buying 1 or 2 shares versus buying 5 or 10. Okay, and I'm just trying to accumulate shares without truly just blowing through my average cost. That's a preference. Again, there's no right or wrong on how to do that. Okay, let's check this one out guys. Capital Southwest, ticker symbol CSWC, sitting at 1943. This one was also up on a day. Okay, and mind you guys, I don't even look at these plays. Okay, I just buy them in a consistent manner. I dollar cost average whatever price they are. Boom. If I want 5 shares, I want 10 shares, I want 15 shares. That's what we do. Check out my position. This one, 270 shares of this. My average cost is $20.55. I'm down 5% in this particular play. Okay, this is a dividend stock, so I'm not looking at it in the same light if I was down in ChargePoint or Palantir. Okay, it's a difference, but nevertheless, I'm going to work to also continue to DCA into this. I'm going to buy 5 more shares Friday, if not 10 more. And I love it being down here because this will bring my average cost down, because 1943 is lower than 2055, which is my average cost. So the more I buy, I can also bring this down. I would love to get this under $20. So if I can get 1989 in this or something like that, that will be perfect. And then when this runs back up, where it's the 52-week high, when this runs back up to 28, and I have this now at, let's say, 19, okay, now I'm having stock appreciation, capital gains appreciation, as well as I'm collecting a dividend. Okay, and then guys, we have BGS. All right, ticker symbol BNG. Fools, $21.02. This one too was up today. Man, all the stocks were kind of on a tear today. Okay, let's check my position out in this one. I'm sitting at 260 shares of this one with an average cost of $22.93. Okay, if you guys are doing our dividend challenge, please make sure you beat the teacher. If you can get these lower than me, do so. I like to share my portfolio with you guys so you can see what I'm holding, where I'm sitting at. And look, if you ever want to know what gets preference on what I buy. So I have an average cost of $22.93 in this. This play is down 8%. So anything that's down 5% or more, that's a long-term play, will be priority in terms of what I buy next. Does that make sense? Okay, so not only if I buy this now, I'll be bringing my average cost down, but I'll also be bringing my total return average down. And so again, it just keeps me active, keeps me invested in the game, keeps me with something to do when I'm taking money from the home runs we're hitting with options. Okay, that's all I do, guys. Okay, and so listen, man, hope that was helpful, man. Hope you guys seeing these things helps you on your journey as well. Okay, I'm gonna try to, as often as I can, just at least on a consistent basis, whether it's once a month or what have you, kind of share these things with you guys, show you guys these things so that you can see the full journey play out. Sometimes I don't ever want you to get it twisted. I'm an investor first that makes money lateral to my investments by trading. Okay, and so I'm going to always be dollar cost averaging. I'm going to always be invested in my long-term plays, and then I go out and trade options. Okay, and I try to keep it simple with that. The SPY, Tesla, AMD, Apple, QQQ, I love those. Easy money plays is what I call those. And then I make money from those and I put them in my dividend plays, or I put them in my long-term plays. Tesla, Apple, okay, things of that nature for the long term. All right, hopefully that was helpful, guys. Let me know if you like that. Also, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get 2,000 likes if you can. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.